Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detail Detectives YouTube channel. Today we got another review, and today we're reviewing the Wonder Wheels Wheel Sealant. So this is a wheel sealant, and yeah, it's quite cheap. We've tried the Wonder Wheels wheel cleaners before. We put those head to heads. I'll put the link for that video below, because that showed you sort of like if there's any difference between the original Wonder Wheels cleaner and then the colour active one. So yeah, go check that out after this video. But yeah, onto this review. So this is so let's have a look. It says on the back of here, Wonder Wheels Wheel Sealant produces a super repellent nano film which, when rained on or rinsed with water, will self-clean. So we're going to test that out. We're going to apply it to this car, and then we're going to come back in sort of like a month or so and then see how well it actually self-cleans with water, and yes, see how well it does for the cheap wheel sealant. So for the directions of use, so let's just read those before we get on with the review, just so we know what we're doing, and yeah, you guys, if you do pick this up, you know how to use it. So the wheels must be clean and dry before use. So let's have a look. Number 1, before use, clean wheels using a suitable wheel cleaner, such as Wonder Wheels. Dry wheels using a microfiber or a chamois. Rotate the wheels and wipe to ensure all surfaces are completely dry. So what we're going to do, we're going to use, I'll just grab a wheel cleaner here. So the wheel cleaner that we're using today is the AM Wheels. So yeah, this is a great wheel cleaner. We've got a review on this coming in a few weeks. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. But yeah, that's a wheel cleaner that we're going to use. I did use all the Wonder Wheels wheel cleaner up. So yeah, I thought I'd try a different one. And yeah, we will be reviewing this. So I'll just get the bottle again. So after we've cleaned the wheels and dried them, number 2, shake cam well. So we'll do that after we clean the wheels. And then number 3, spray a light coating over the exposed area of the wheels, treating one wheel at a time. Do not rub or buff. Okay, so I think just by reading these instructions, it is just literally you spray on and leave it. Well, at the minute, it seems quite simple to apply, which is good. And then number 4, allowed to dry for at least 1 hour. So, just in the notes in the bottom, this product produces a semi-permanent coating. Do not be tempted to touch the coating when it's dry or when it's wet or in a dry state, as this will reduce durability and performance. Okay, so let's and then on the bottom, if the vehicle is washed and the wheels are cleaned with aggregation, then Wonder Wheels Wheel Sealant should be reapplied. So what this suggests is that the wheel sealant will stay on the wheels, but as soon as you sort of like aggregate it with a brush or wheel cleaner, then yeah, it will it will affect the coating, which is fair enough. But we'll put that to the test. So let's clean the wheels, and then what we'll do, we'll follow the instructions, apply it, and then yeah, come back in a month and see how it's getting on. The wheels are all cleaned and dried off, and now it's time for the application. So we'll just go over the instructions again, yeah, just so we know what we're doing. So we've cleaned the wheels. Now to shake the cam well, and then spray a light coating over the exposed area of the wheels, treating one wheel at a time. Do not rub or buff. So, and then allowed to dry for at least an hour. So literally all I'm going to do, pop the top off, and it's just a spray. It's sort of like an aerosol. So yeah, I'm going to apply it to the wheel, and then yeah, we'll come back in a good few weeks and see how it's getting on. That was the application. It is a really quick and simple application, literally a spray on and then leave it for an hour before driving the car, and yeah, sorted. So well, my overall thoughts on the application process: if you clean the wheels well, even if you don't, I guess, but yeah, make sure you clean the wheels well, dry them off as best you can. We use the Sidekick pet dryer for that. And yeah, literally spray the face or all the wheels, depending on what you're protecting, whether it's the full wheel, like inside and out, or just the face of them. Today we just did the face, because yeah, we're just testing this out. I'm going to carry on doing them all now, and then yeah, I'll see you in about a month. It's been about a month since we applied the Wonder Wheels Wheel Sealant to this car behind me. It hasn't been washed since. It's not too dirty, but it has done around about 500 miles. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how well it does repel brake dust, road grime and dirt. Yeah, and literally see how well the wheels come up. Just pressure washing the wheels off. So this is quite a cheap wheel sealant for £10. So yeah, it is cheap. You literally spray it on and leave it. That's it. And well, I think this is one of the cheap ones on the market, and the wheel sealants go right up to, I don't know, maybe 50 quid a bottle, which yeah, can get quite expensive if you're not doing this full time, or yeah, you're not sure, well, you don't want to spend that much money. So yeah, let's see cheap wheel sealant can compare against the expensive ones. So I'm just going to rinse this wheel off now, see how well it cleans up. As you can see, it has cleaned up the wheels quite well. Like, I'd still need to go around with a sponge, but most of the dirt's come off. It does look like there's still some water behaviour there, so there is still some protection there. Again, this has been on around about 3 to 4 weeks, and yeah, about say 500 to 600 miles. The car wasn't, well, the wheel wasn't too dirty, but yeah, it's performed quite well. And for £10, it's, well, I didn't really use a lot. So yeah, at the minute, yeah, it's quite a good product. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do the back wheels now, and they're not as mucky as these were, but yeah, just so you can see two different wheels. That's the review done. We've a few weeks ago we applied the wheel sealant. I've showed you the application process, and then yeah, fast forward to now, and yeah, I've just shown you how well the wheel sealant holds up. It does say on the back of the bottle, I think I read this out at the start of the video, if the vehicle is washed and the wheels are cleaned with aggregation, then Wonder Wheels Wheel Sealant should be reapplied. I just literally pressure washed those off. The protection is sort of still there, which after a month, yeah, it's not that bad. They came up quite well. I didn't use any wheel cleaners or anything. For the price of it, I wouldn't mind reapplying that sort of once a month, sort of like every 4 to 6 weeks, I guess, to keep the wheels easy to clean. I think for the price, which is £10, which is the cheaper end of the scale for a wheel sealant, it's actually held up quite well. I do know the wheel sealants, which are sort of like the top end prices, they can last up to sort of like 2.5 years, depending on how you look after the car and how you wash it. But for £10, it's an easy application. It's really simple to use. So you're sort of like people who don't do this professionally and just do it on a weekend, and they sort of like want the wheels easier to clean, then yeah, this is probably the product for you. You can get it in Halfords, but I'll stick the link for this product below. I'll stick the links for all the products used as well, so like the wheel cleaner, and yeah, this below, just so you can check them out if you're interested. My overall thoughts: a cheap, easy to use wheel sealant, and actually works for the price. So not all cheap products are rubbish, which yeah, we're sort of trying to find out on this channel. Sort of like, yeah, most of the time you get what you pay for. Say like with the wheel sealants, yeah, the wheel sealants all last sort of like 2.5 years. But do these actually work how they say they should? Which this product actually does. And yeah, for £10, it's worth a buy and put on your shelf in your with your detailing products, just so you can use it as and when. We'll be back next week for another product review.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!